Chinese brands gain a strong foothold at the ongoing Display Week 2023, the world's leading show of the display industry in Los Angeles. BOE Technology Group, one of the world's largest manufacturers in the semiconductor display industry and an Internet of Things company, brings a slew of cutting-edge technologies to the exhibition. BOE's newly released 110-inch 16K UHD display, which features high charge carrier mobility and an ultra-high resolution, draws lots of visitors. Its 10-inch 8K LCD display, which is tailored to 3D printing, was selected as the display application of the year.
30%-40%以上都是中国企业来参展，已经充分地体现了中国力量和中国的影响力。
From augmented reality, virtual reality, auto tech, organic light emitting diode, micro OLED, and micro displays to wearables, digital signage, and e-paper, the Display Week showcases the latest and greatest technology and advancements from the global electronic display and visual information technologies industries. The exhibition is hosted by the Society for Information Display from May 21st to 26th.